Hi everyone, welcome again. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the use of cube in SQL. So first of all, it's used for grouping the data. If we are going to use this cube on a table, so it's used to group the table on the basis of some particular column that we're going to mention in this cube. Okay, so first of all, it's used to group the data. The second use of this cube is what? First of all, it's used with this group by clause. Okay, of course it's used for grouping the data, so it will be used with this group by clause. Okay, as it is also used to group the data of the table. Okay, and the third most thing that one must know about this cube, and it is the most important, and it says what it considers to the power n minus 1 combinations of n columns for grouping. For example, if we, so this is what a syntax that I example that I have written over here. I want to group the table on the basis of this cube, and the number of columns that I'm going to use is what? Three. There are three columns that I want to group the data on the basis of which I want to group the table. Okay, and I'm going to use this cube. So how will this cube work? It will take to the power n minus 1 combination. So here n is what equals to 2, 3. Okay, here n is what equals to 3. So how will it work? It will take to the power 3 minus 1 combinations, that is equals to 8 minus 1, which is equals to 7. Okay, so it will take 7 combinations and group the data of the table on the basis of that 7 combinations. Okay, so how will we make the 7 combinations? Firstly, we will take all the columns alone. That means firstly we will group the data on the basis of only first column, and then on the basis of second column, and then on the basis of third column. After that we will group the data on the basis of AB column, then BC column, and AC columns. And at the last, we will group the data on the basis of all the three columns. Okay, so this is what the case and the use of this cube. It will take all the possible combinations of grouping this table. Okay, it groups the data on the basis of all the possible combination that can be made by using these columns. Okay, so this is what the syntax for this cube. Okay, it is select column name aggregate function. This is the column name on which we want to apply the aggregate function from table name group by cube column name. So it is also same as a group by clause, but the only difference over here is what? In this we're going to use this cube along with this group by. Okay, now let us understand this with the help of an example over here. Let's suppose this is a table. This is a pets table that we have. Okay, it consists of three columns over here. It's type, store, and n. And we want to group the data of the table on the basis of these two columns, type and store, using this cube. So we'll write the syntax over here like this: select type, store, sum, and from pets group by cube, type and store. Okay, so as I told you about its working, so it will take all the to the power n minus 1 combination. So here n is what? 2. There are two columns, so it will take to the power 2 minus 1 combinations, that is to the power 2 minus 1, which is equals to 4 minus 1. It is 3. So it will take total 3 combinations and will group this data on the basis of that 3 combinations. So which are these 3 combinations? First of all, it is only type column. It will group the data on the basis of only this type column, and then it will group the data on the basis of store column, and a third one is it will group the data on the basis of this type and store column. Okay, so this is what the use of this cube. It will first group this data on the basis of only type column, and then on the basis of store column, and at the last it will group the data on the basis of both these columns. Okay, so this is what the use of this group clause with this cube. Okay, here this is what the result of that query that we have fired. Okay, using that cube, we want to group this table on the basis of these two columns. And what will it do? Firstly, it will group the data on the basis of both these two columns, and then it will group the data on the basis of type column, and then it will group the data on the store column. So there are total 3 combinations, and it will group the data on the basis of these all 3 combinations, and at the last it's a total. It will give the total of all the number of animals that are present in this group. Okay, so this is what the use of this cube clause.